Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best universal travel adapters that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Ore European Plug Adapter. Ore Manufacturing Company is responsible for the making of this fantastic universal travel adapter that is gorgeously designed to fit on your wall with ease. It is intended to fit and accept wide varieties of 3 or 2 prongs worldwide depending on the area you are traveling to. Also, the adapter allows 2 plugs at once and does not short-circuit. Additionally, the adapter can be used to charge a variety of devices such as iPhones, Huawei, Sony, Samsung, cameras, power banks and many others. Moreover, it is designed with internal metal surfaces to provide better conductivity and minimize electric shock. Moving on at number 4, we have Instant Worldwide Travel Charger Adapter. Could you be planning to travel to the EU, UK, US, JP, CN, or HK? Then, considering this universal travel adapter will be a wise decision. It's a product by the trusted Instant Manufacturing Co. This adapter features professional design and engineering. With it in your travel bag, you can now charge your various devices in over 150 countries across the globe. However, it's critical to note that this unit is not designed for use with high-power devices like water heaters and hair dryers. Again, it doesn't convert the electrical output voltage and current. Therefore, it should only be used with devices that feature high-quality electrical converters. What's more, the featured LED charging indicators will be of utmost importance in ensuring that you save on power even while you travel. At number 3, we have Pors Ella International Travel Power Adapter. Pors Ella Manufacturing Company is behind the manufacturing of this amazing universal travel adapter that serves you and makes you have the most comfortable and stress-free journey. Not only does it have a sleek design but also can be used internationally for the people who love to travel and provide you with the comfort and ease of charging your phone or laptop. Additionally, this device has a fuse to prevent overheating and to ensure that your appliances are safe and out of damage to make sure that the amount of money you spent is worthwhile. Also, it comes busted with a lifetime warranty in case of any downsize along the way and also offers a money-back guarantee with no questions asked. At number 2, we have Bonazza Universal World Travel Adapter Kit. Among the highly recommended universal travel adapters is this product by the Bonazza Manufacturing. If you will be traveling to Europe, US, UK or O, then carrying this unit with you is a wise decision. What's interesting, this unit can convert most foreign power sockets into 2 or 3 power plugs. Therefore, it will work in over 150 countries. Also, we appreciate its 4 USB ports that will let you charge most of your devices including cell phones, cameras, GPS, MP3, 4/5 players, among others. Even more, this unit comes with a wholesome load of safety features including high temperature, overcurrent, short circuit, surge protections, 8A fuse, and power indicators. Furthermore, this is an approved unit that boasts certification by FCCCE. Therefore, you should purchase it with utmost confidence. And finally at number 1. TravelInspira Universal Power Plug Wall AC Adapter. The TravelInspira company is here to ensure that you travel with optimum convenience. With the TravelInspira Universal All-in-One Worldwide Travel Power Plug, you can now say goodbye to the inconvenience caused by power lapse in your various devices while you travel. It's an adapter that accepts plugs utilized in over 150 countries including US, EU, O, and UK plugs. With its dual USB ports, you can now enjoy charging 2 devices concurrently. It's ideal for iPhone, iPad, and all other cell phone chargers. We also appreciate its surge protector that ensures its durability and user safety. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down, I hope back to you as soon as possible.